Hi, I'm Dana with Fishers Technology. Let's talk about backup and business continuity and why both are so important. Any business storing data should have a backup plan, especially if you have a server, the heart of your business. Ideally, we like to see backups on-premise and off-site. Business continuity or disaster recovery is just as important as having a backup plan. If disaster were to strike and you had to restore your business, it could take several days, and that's if you have a server sitting around. Can you afford that loss of time? Can you afford that loss of data? At Fishers Technology, we can provide a solution at an affordable price that gets you back in business. Let's talk about RTO. RTO, or Recovery Time Objective, is the amount of time it takes to restore data after a disaster. It's a calculated time to restore processes to an acceptable level after an intolerable disruption of business. Fishers can help design a backup, business continuity, and RTO plan to get you back up and running. Team up with an IT partner that has your best interest in mind.